Mariella needs to make enough potato salad for 60 people. If the serving size for each person is 5/8 of a cup, how many cups of potato salad does Mariella need to make? I have a bowl here with one serving with 5/8 of a cup of potato salad in it. So Mariella wants to make enough potato salad to fill 60 of these bowls. She wants to put 5/8 of a cup in one, plus 5/8 of a cup in another, 5/8 of a cup in a third, so on and so forth until she fills all 60 bowls. Now we could add 5/8 plus 5/8 plus 5/8 over and over again, but really there's an easier way to figure out the total amount of potato salad. We can just take the total number of bowls, 60, times the size of each serving, which is 5/8 of a cup. Instead of adding 5/8 to itself 60 times, we can shorten the amount of work by multiplying 60 times 5/8. 60 here, which is the number of bowls, we can think of as the number of parts. Times, we're multiplying by 5/8 of a cup, we can think of that as the size of each part. If we take the number of parts, 60, times the size of each part, 5/8 of a cup, we're going to get the total amount of potato salad that Mariella needs to make. So let's go ahead and do this calculation. 60, I can write as 60 over 1 times 5/8. Because I'm multiplying fractions here, I want to think about canceling. Let's break down 60. 60 is 6 times 10 over 1 times 5, I can't break down further, that's prime, over 8. 8 is 4 times 2. I don't see any numbers that I can cancel yet. Let's keep breaking down the numerators and denominators of these fractions, though. 6 I can break down further into 2 times 3. Times 10 is times 2 times 5. We have all that over 1 times, we have our 5 over 4 here I can break down into 2 times 2 times another 2. And now I can do some canceling. I have a 2 above with a 2 below, another 2 above with another 2 below. And I think that's it. I still have a 2 below, but I ran out of 2's above. That's all the canceling that I can do. So let's multiply our factors back together above and below. I have 3 times 5 is 15 up above. 15 times 5, let's work this out on the side. 15 times 5 is 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. That's 75. Over 1 times 2 is 2. We have 75 halves cups of potato salad to make. Now, because the number on top is larger here, this fraction represents more than one whole. Let's divide it out in order to express this fraction as a mixed numeral. We want to take 75 and divide by 2. 2 goes into 7 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract, I get 1. Bring down the 5. 2 goes into 15 7 times. 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract, I get 1. I don't have any more numbers to bring down, so I'll write my remainder in fraction form. I write the 1 left over the 2 out in front. So what I have here is 37 1/2 cups of potato salad. That's how much potato salad Mariella needs to make in order to have 60 servings. This number of cups of potato salad is the total quantity here. Notice that in this problem, where we want to find the total quantity, where that's our answer, we multiply the number of parts times the size of each part in order to obtain that total quantity.